Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing animated PowerPoint slide in just 5 minutes. Plus you can free download this template from the link in the description below. So first of all, you're gonna go to the Insert tab and Shapes. And from here, you're gonna insert this diamond shape and you're gonna put it to the right side, increase its size, remove its outline from the shape outline option, duplicate it, and then place it next to each other several times after duplicating it. So the shortcut key for duplicating is Ctrl plus D, so you can easily just use that key to duplicate your shapes. So I'll just quickly put the shapes with equal distance, and I'll make some of them larger and some of them smaller so that we can make a nice pattern. Let's duplicate this one as well and then put it downwards as well. And we can put this larger one upwards and this may go downwards on this side, and we can then decrease its size like this and then put it right here next to the first one. And we can also decrease this diamond size as well. So let's duplicate this one as well and put it to the left side of the smaller one, and duplicate the smaller one and then put it onto the first left side onto the same small one. So this looks right. What we're gonna do is duplicate this larger one and we're gonna put it just below this one, and what we're gonna do is group all of these shapes so that we can easily put them, and then we're gonna duplicate them and move them, put them downwards as well, but be sure to use equal distance between them. You can put these two upwards because the one shape we're going to focus on is upwards and not downwards. Now select all of them and then group them right now so that we can easily move all of them upwards and downwards without selecting all of them. And now let's just ungroup them. First of all, let's go to fill, and we can insert an image from our device using picture texture fill option. But in this option, you can't crop your image or adjust it according to your preference. So what we're gonna do is just go back to where this shape was ungrouped, and we're gonna go to merge options and then we're gonna click on union. Now we can crop the image and we can adjust its size as much as we want, including the width and the height. So let's just make it a bit more wider so that we can easily see what's in the image. And let's also move it to the left side so that we can have the central point into our slide. And what we're going to do next is insert another text box, and we're going to write our title in it and increase its size, use a bold font. And then we're going to change its fill using eyedropper from the image, and we're going to insert the content text. Let's decrease its size and change its color to gray, and we're gonna give the line spacing of 1.5 centimeter. Let's insert a round corner rectangle right here, and we're gonna add one of words in it, remove its outline, give it a fill of the same as the title's color, and here you go. So let's just select it again, go to shape effects and go to shadow and give it this fifth number shadow. The next thing we're going to do is select the text and give it this second number shadow as well. Now duplicate the slide while holding shift, move this shape upwards, half of it upwards and half of it downwards. We're going to change our title, and also what we're going to do is change its fill as well. Go to shift format, go to we can also give the rectangle shaped into it or the background, but it won't look really nice. So we're just gonna change the fill of the text. So next we're gonna cut half of this text and paste it by duplicating the text box and putting it downwards. And then we can just select both of them and then give them these bullet points and move them downwards. Now select this round corner rectangle, and what we're gonna do is duplicate it, and for this one let's just change the letters we have put in it, and we're gonna remove its fill, or we can just change its fill. And for the first rectangle, let's remove its fill and give it an outline, and then change the fill of the color to as same as the outline. Now select both of the templates, go to transitions tab and give them push transition. So this is the final result of what we made in this video. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon.